Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about chapter 8, that is shapes and pattern. Children, in first video I shared already how to make 2D and 3D shapes. So in this video I will cover this book chapter. So already you know that 2D shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, circle. You have to define, you can see the definition and drawing of this one in first video. In 3D shapes also, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, pyramid and sphere. Now we will focus now for the line of symmetry. So what is a line of symmetry? You can see here a line which divide the figure in two equal parts is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. I will show you, just like you can see my both the hand. Okay, so this one is the line of symmetry. If I join both the hand in the middle, this one is the line of symmetry because one hand is completely overlapped by another hand. If some paper is completely overlapped or some figure is alike means both side it is same, both the hands are same, and this is the line of symmetry. So this is called as line of symmetry. So now there are two lines of symmetry. Just like I am giving you example of English alphabet. If you see A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, English alphabet. So first is A. So A, you can draw the line of symmetry like this, because if you see this part is same as this one. If you put a mirror here, it seems to be like this. So this is also called as a mirror line. Mirror line or line of horizontal line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. I will show you. You can also do this type of activity. You can make a paper cutting of for this A, okay, and just fold it like this to divide it, to overlap one part by, you can see one part is completely overlapped by second part, okay. So, and you can unfold it. Now you can see both the parts are same, so where is the line of symmetry of this one? Here. If I draw here, this one is the line of symmetry, okay. So this is actually the line of symmetry, a line which divide the figure into two equal parts, and both the parts should be same so that they can overlap. Overlap means they will cover one by another part, then only it has symmetry. If it will not cover properly, not cover fully, then it has no line of symmetry. You can see here A, the line of symmetry, this one. This way it can cover, it can be divided into two parts. Like B, for this one B is like this, because above and top and bottom part are same. C, line of symmetry, again this type of line is called as vertical line of symmetry, okay. And D can be like this, line of symmetry. E, line of symmetry is also vertical. F don't have line of symmetry. If you do like this or like this, the parts are not same. G, no. F, no. G, no. H, yes. One line of symmetry is here, and one is from the middle. Two lines of symmetry H has. And I, yes. Again two line of symmetry I have. J, no. K, yes. But if you write K like this, and if you are writing K like this, then it has no. If it is in the middle, then yes, okay. Now come to the L, no line of symmetry. No, here it will divide into two equal parts. M, yes. N, yes. O, yes. Two lines of symmetry. Or if you write O like a circle, then it has infinite line, means many line of symmetry, okay. P, no. Q, no. R, no. S, no. T, yes. T has one line of symmetry. U has one line of symmetry. V also has. W also one line of symmetry. All are horizontal line of symmetries. And then X, yes. Like this, two line of symmetry. Y, yes. Z, no. But if you write Y like this, then no line of symmetry, no. If you write Y like this, then yes, okay. So this way you can draw this A, B, C, D and their line of symmetry. And practically if you want to do, then you can cut the piece, cut ABC like this and try to overlap one part to another where it is divided. If one part is overlapped by second part, then it has line of symmetry, otherwise no. And downside, you have to write these all in the notebook. Alphabets with horizontal line of symmetry, you have to write all the alphabet with horizontal line of symmetry yourself. Horizontal line of symmetry, this one is okay, but let me to correct, this one is vertical, okay, vertical line, and this one is horizontal. Make a correction, children. Vertical line is the standing line and horizontal line is the sleeping line. So A has horizontal B has or A has vertical and B has horizontal. You can fill here all the alphabets with horizontal lines. You write here all, and here vertical line, and here both the lines. Okay, both the line you have like H, I, X. So you can do like this. This line of symmetry for English alphabet. Now we'll go to the next line of symmetry for 2D shapes. First of all, 2D shape. First 2D shape is rectangle. Okay, rectangle has two lines of symmetry. I will show you. One line is like this, and second is like this. So two you can write here. Two lines of symmetry. Square has four. One like this, second like this, and if you fold diagonal wise, then also three. Then this one is four. If you have equilateral triangle, the triangle in which all the three sides are equal, then 1, 2, 3, three lines of symmetry. I will show you here. One line like this, second line like this, third line like this. Three lines. If you have scalene triangle means no sides of symmetry, so no line of symmetry, 0. And if you have circle, then infinite many lines. All the diameters of the circle are the lines of symmetry. And here you can fold. It can be divided by it into two parts. So here you can write infinite means many lines. We can't count them. And if you have kite has one line of symmetry like this. One line of symmetry. Practically I will show you. First figure is rectangle. You can also do this like an activity. Take a piece of paper, rectangular piece of paper, fold it from the middle lengthwise. When you fold it lengthwise, then you can see this is okay, one line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and if you fold it like this, it will overlap again. So two lines of symmetry, 1, 2. You can draw them, then you can paste it on the notebook here. So this is can be done like an activity also. Now I will show for the square. One line of symmetry is like this. Second is here like this, diagonal wise. Okay, it is overlapping. See, completely overlapping. Third is here. Third, and then fourth is here. So four lines of symmetry you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way you can see this. I told you the triangle. This one triangle. This is type of equilateral triangle. One line of symmetry. Okay. Then you can do for second line of symmetry here. Then third line of symmetry from third cone. I will show you. There are three lines of symmetry. One from this corner to this side. Second from here. Third from here. Same way if you have kite has, if you fold it like this, it will not overlap. So fold it like this, it will overlap, and it has one line of symmetry. I will show you. This is the line of symmetry for kite. So this way you can do this activity. If it is a circle, infinite lines like this, you can fold anywhere with the center and the diameter. You got many lines of symmetry. So this is the work you have to do in the notebook. Now we will go to the book. Now we will go to the book side. I will show you again. You can pause the video and you can do it. And this 2D shapes and ABCD you can do like an activity method also. Now we will come to the exercise. First page of 146. So there is a pattern shown in this page. You can make the same type of pattern here. Okay. So now we'll go to this next page. They are saying that match the shapes. Okay, this is a matchbox base is a rectangular. You have to match it with the rectangle here. Okay, and how many sides of this rectangle? You know, 4 corners, 4 sides. So whose base is circle base is of this glass and this one. Okay, so you can write here circle has no corner, no side. Okay, same triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners, and you have to match here where the triangular base is here with this. Okay, and here. So this way you can do this. Page number 147. Are these triangles 2? Okay, so they are also the triangles. Is it a square? Yes, it is a square. Is it a square? No, it is no. Yes, all sides are equal. See, three sides are there. Yes, this is a triangle. So same way you can do the last. Now we will go to the directly to this one exercise 8a. In this exercise, children, for these objects, look at them carefully and then complete the table. Now you see the table of this one. First object is cuboid. What about second? Second is sphere. Third is your this one cube. Fourth is cylinder, type of cylinder, and fifth is type of cone. Okay. Now in the second column you have to, yes, now children, you see the cuboid edges are 12 and faces are 6 and corners are 8. What about sphere? Sphere edges 0, faces 1, corner 0. Cube again same as cuboid, 12, 6, 6. And cylinder, you know, edges in the cylinder 2 and faces 3 and corners 0. In cone, faces edges 1 and this one number of faces 2 and the corner is 1. So this way you can do this page number 150. Now there is a pattern shown in your exercise 8b. You have to follow the pattern: circle, square, circle, draw the next circle, square, then again circle. You can color even straight triangle, opposite triangle, straight triangle, opposite triangle, straight triangle. So this you can do like this: two circle, two rectangle, two circle, one rectangle, one more you can draw. Same way here you can see question number 2. First part, 3 points are here, then one point added this side, one more are added, then one more you can add here. You can make L shape: 1 square, 2, 3, 4. What should be next? 5. Here 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5 circles you can make. Same way you can go for this. 2.2 are there here. Now it is 4, then again 2, then it will be 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, then again 2. You have to do all these yourself. That's an easy pattern. You can follow the pattern and complete this exercise 8b. Now we will all this one also. Let us discuss question number 4. This is a type of D shape, protector shape. Here semicircle like this. Okay, they are turning it again. This is same as this one. The second figure will be like this D shape. Arrow straight, slipping down this side, then again it will be like this. Now here you see in this shape, color is here, then it shift to here, then now here, then next will be here, next will be here. You have to make it and color this side here in this portion. Okay, now you here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now this also went off, so this one 3, 2. Now this figure will be repeated here. Okay, X for this one, then 1, 2, then this, then 1, then this figure will repeat here. 1, 2, 3, then here 1 will be there. Now see the pattern, number pattern downside: 1, 2, double. 1 into 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 100, 80, 60, 40, what should be here? 20. 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 4, 20. 1 added here, 2 added here, 3 here, 4 here. Here we will add 5. 25 it will be. 107, 114, 7 table it is. 135, then 142. 7 gap is there. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus, then 2 plus 3 means add these two for the next. 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13, then 13 plus 8 is 21. So the next number will be 21. So this way you can do this number pattern also. So now we will go to the symmetry, line of symmetry. As I told you already about the line of symmetry, you have to draw see the images for our from various festivals in India. Mark the ones that are symmetrical. You see this first pot. Yes, Pongal pot. It is symmetrical. This is the line of symmetry. Is it symmetrical? No, because the shape is different. Here Christmas star. Yes, here is the line of symmetry. One line. Okay. Here, yes, this one is also symmetry. Take it. Here many lines can be drawn. Symmetrical lines. Okay. Here no. Gudi Padwa. And here yes, two lines of symmetry. Or no, can have the line of symmetry. Now is the dotted line the line of, we have discussed already yes, this is line of symmetry because both the parts are same. this is line of symmetry? No, it can be like this but not like this. This one, yes, both the parts are same, these both. Is it? No, this part is small, this is big. No. Is it? Yes, because both the parts it divide into same. Now here you have to draw line of symmetry. So this is line of symmetry for this is for this one is for this, and dotted line you can show line of symmetry for all these parts. You can see this again. So now we'll go to page number this one, different views. Okay, so if you see any shape, then this is, if you see the car, this is the side view, this is known as side view, and this one is the top view, top, how it is looking from the top. Okay, and this one is front view, and this one is the back view. Now if you see the tree, this is the tree. Okay, what is the top view? Top view is this one, leaves and all the branches. This is a type of tree. And here what is this one? This one is the pencil. What is this downside? This is the shape, which is, this shape is drawn like this. So this is top view, and this shape is here, this is the bottom, and this one is the front view. Here also tree front, you can write front. So this way you have to see all the views downside, and you can do the almirah top, bottom and side view. I have done here, you can see. And some figures, one of the figure you can draw like the mug, and so its side view and the top view. So you can do this page 155. Now we'll go to directly to page number 157. There is some design you need to make. You see, you have to understand the design first. From here they are coloring like this, like this. Now you see how many are left. 1 2 3 are blank here, and then colored. 1 2 3, then you start to color from here. 1, then 2, same way, 2 are here, then go front side, then come down side, then go to again front side, then come down side, then go front side 2. So again 1 2 3 gap, then start from here. Like this you can make the design. Okay, 1 2 3, same way, same pattern you have to follow. Same thing is in B and C part, same pattern. And in question number 2 you can make your own pattern also. So okay, as it is made, same way you have to follow. You can use any of the color or as the color they have shown. Now let's go for the chapter checkup. Look at the cuboid. This is the cuboid. They are saying mark the corner with the red dots. These are the corners of the cuboid, but I am using pencil, you have to use red dots. Okay, draw over the edges with the green. These edges you have to draw with the green. Okay, edges means line. Color the faces blue. Blue color here you can do, here. These are the faces. 3 faces are shown here. So second is very easy. You have to take which are the symmetry. And third question you have to do yourself. I have shown you already in the beginning how to draw the line of symmetry for A like this, B like this, C like this. You can do this here now in the book. Already you did in the notebook. So same way they are saying tick the shapes that tile has. Any shape should not have any gap between tiles. So this will not be there. There is no gap. Yes, with the tile pattern. Here also gap is there. No, there is no gap here. It can be the tile pattern. Okay, now observe the pattern, draw the next one circle is decreasing, so last one is 1 circle. So 1 2 3. Now the next one will be 4. 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this way you can complete the chapter. And there is one more page number 159. This you can do, draw the other half of these Christmas tree to make symmetrical parts. Okay, other halves means here also dotted line is shown. Dotted line you can join, here it is. Here other half you can draw like this, like this. Okay, and here also other half you can draw a shape of star like this to complete the figure. So this way you can do this page. And this is all about your chapter shapes and pattern. Main thing is here you must know how to draw 3D shapes, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. And you can practically also you can make it by using the chart paper. I will share you the video to make the 3D shapes, and you can make 2D shapes in the book, and you can draw it 2D shapes, but try to make 3D shape also practically, and try few figures for the symmetrical parts. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.